G'day guys, I'm Biggest Kev and welcome to my channel. Today it's back to the lab. I've got some gold here, some gold wire that was given to me by one of my mates, Greg. Greg kindly gave me this gold wire. It was used for doing wraps, stone wraps, for wrapping jewellery, making jewellery. The wire, wrap it around the stone and make pendants and that sort of thing. And anyway, he had he doesn't do it anymore, and he had this wire left over, so he kindly gave it to me. I think he said it was 9 karat gold or something like that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to dissolve it down in AQUA REGIA and purify it, try and get it down to a purer gold consistency there. So that's the plan anyway today. So I was going to do this, so I thought I'd video it and just show you guys the results to see what we get. I'll give you a close-up look at it. Yeah, there it is. It's just gold wire, but looking at it, to me it looks more bronzy colour than gold colour, so obviously it's not pure gold, it's mixed with some other alloys. Yeah, and yeah, we'll try and refine it. That's what we'll do today. Next I'll weigh it up. Okay guys, let's see what this gold wire weighs. 7.27. Okay, there's the gold wire in the beaker, and then next I'll put in 400 mils of hydrochloric acid. Well, that's all we got. We got 300, that'll do. 300 mils of hydrochloric acid and 40 mils of ammonium nitrate. And then I'll just give it a bit of a stir. I'll put it on the heat, and that's our AQUA REGIA mix there. The hydrochloric acid and the ammonium nitrate, that's our AQUA REGIA, or what they call poor man's AQUA REGIA. And then, yeah, and as I said, I'll put it on the heat and then we'll just leave it. It'll probably take an hour or more to dissolve that wire. Okay, it's been 1 hour, and as you can see, the solution has turned black. So we'll leave it a bit longer. It's still bubbling away there. So we'll leave it a bit longer and get all that metal to dissolve, and then we'll carry on with the rest of the procedure. Okay, it's been an hour and a half, and I hope you can see there's still a little bit of action happening, still a bit of bubbling going on, so I'll leave it a bit longer. There's a piece of metal on the bottom of the beaker still being dissolved. Okay, our solution's cooled down, and now I'll put it through our strainer. I've got a cotton ball in the end of the funnel. That's my filter. There. It's a real dark green colour, the solution. So that's it. I'll just let it sieve through the filter, and then I'll pour the rest through, filter it all, and then we'll go on with the next stage. Okay, the solution has been filtered. Next we add urea to kill off the acid. It should start to fizz up. It's starting to fizz now. You can just see it starting to bubble up. And that will neutralise the acid. Once I've done that, then I can add the SMB. Okay, we've neutralised the acid. Next, we add some sodium metabisulfide, SMB. Now, the SMB will cause the gold to drop out. It'll drop out of solution and form a brown mud in the bottom of the beaker. Next I'll add some water. Now it's just a waiting game. I'll leave that overnight for the gold to settle to the bottom of the beaker. Then we'll collect the brown mud, which is the gold. Okay guys, it's the next morning. I've left that liquid to settle down, and I don't think we've got anything. As you can see, the liquid's brown. It was green, and then when I added all the SMB and that into it, the liquid's turned brown. But if you look on the bottom, there's nothing on the bottom, there's no mud. Empty. Nothing. What did I do wrong? Did I do something wrong, or was there no gold in that wire? Let me know what you think. Did I do something wrong? My next door neighbour just dropped me off lunch. Check these out, guys. Blue manna swimming crabs. Yum. Well guys, what happened there? Where did the gold go? Or wasn't there any gold? Yeah, that gold wire that Greg gave me, Greg said he bought it online. It come from China. So maybe that's why there was no gold. Yeah, don't know. I did everything like I've done before, and I've always got the brown mud in the bottom of the beaker, the gold. But in this case, nothing. So I can only think that there was no gold in there. I put extra SMB into that, into the solution, thinking that the gold was still in solution. more SMB, nah, didn't make any difference. So I'm thinking there was no gold in it at all. Yeah, if there was, it was only really super thin plating, yeah, on the wire. Okay guys, at least my next door neighbour dropped me off some crabs, so I got a feed of crabs for lunch today, and possibly tea. Yeah, I think I've got about eight crabs. Beauty. Thanks Gav, my next door neighbour. Cheers. That's it I think guys. I haven't even got myself a drink, and it's a bit early in the morning. It's warming up. It's I think it's going to be about 33, 34 degrees here today. Beautiful weather we're having. Yeah, and that's it guys. Nothing else to report. Stay safe out there, be good, and I'll catch us on the next one. I should be out bush, I hope. See ya.